this video, we will show you how to install a Somfy motorized honeycomb skylight shade. Using the mounting bracket as a template, measure 3 inches into the edge of the bracket and mark the hole locations with a pencil for drilling. Depending on the width of the shade, additional brackets may be necessary. Be sure they are evenly spaced between the 2 end brackets. Repeat for the bottom brackets. If using the external battery, follow these steps. Position the battery where it can reach the motor. One set of the provided clips allow you to hang the battery on the headrail, while the other set can be mounted in the window frame. Connect the battery to the motor. Then, press the programming button on the motor. The shade will jog twice. Next, press the programming button on the remote. The shade will jog once. The remote is now paired to the shade. If using a different power supply, follow the instructions in the included Quick Start Guide. Position the top rail with the front lip resting on the hooks of all of the brackets. Push the rail firmly up and toward the window until the groove of the rail snaps into place. Pull the bottom rail down to meet the bottom brackets. Position the bottom rail with the front lip resting on the hooks of all of the brackets. Push the rail firmly down and toward the window until the groove on the rail snaps into place. Now, install the tracks. Place the track against the front of the top and bottom rails. Attach the track with the screws provided. Space the screws no more than 12 inches apart. Follow the same procedure for the other track. Make sure that the 2 tracks are parallel to each other. Your shade is now ready for use.